When I was a child, I longed to be a grown up person. And having become a grown up person, I wish I could go back to my childhood and have longer childhood days. We are all attracted by children and we like their company, primarily because of the specific qualities that children have, like simplicity, generosity, openness, love, frankness, etc. May I wish all you children a very happy Children's Day and a very happy and enriching childhood days.
Dear students, Nehru said, children are like buds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. On behalf of Don Bosco Senior Secondary School and Council, I wish you all very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
My dear children, on behalf of all the teaching and non-teaching staff of Don Bosco Senior Secondary School, Vadudala, I would like to wish each and every one of you a very happy Children's Day. As an adult, each time I see you all, I wish I could be a child again, for there is innocence and joy in childhood that can't be explained in words. You will wonder, where is the fun when we have lots of homeworks, test papers and many activities to meet each day? You may feel that you cannot enjoy the freedom, but my dear children, it's the time when you are guided, protected and mentored. You actually yourself enjoy when you have boundaries drawn. Now you are privileged to be in a good school that cares, prepare you for life. Opportunities gather, take them on and experiment and explore. You will never fail in life. Once again, I wish you all happy Children's Day.
To the most precious of the blessings, here comes a very happy Children's Day.
Children carry the hopes for a brighter tomorrow. Dear children, wish you all a very happy Children's Day.
എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ പ്രിയ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്കും സ്നേഹം നിറഞ്ഞ ശിശുദിനാശംസകൾ.
Children are the most beautiful creation of God, and the sweetest period of anyone's life is their childhood. Dear children, on this special day, I wish you all success and joy. Happy Children's Day to all of you.
Wishing a joyful Children's Day to all the children of Don Bosco.
Children are the budding stars.
The more we embrace them, the more they shine. Happy Children's Day.
Every child is a different kind of flowers, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. We wish you all a happy Children's Day.
Children are the best creation of God.
They spread joy in every season. Happy Children's Day.
Dear children, y'all are miracle, with each having your own ways, making this world a beautiful place for us. इसलिए आप सभी को बाल दिवस की बधाई. Happy Children's Day to every child in the world. Thank you.
November 14th, a day for you. And you are the one who teaches to be happy without no reason.
Children, you are the gift of God.
You fly with your thoughts to the endless sky.
And we love you, children, and we miss you really too much. And wish you a very happy
Children's Day.
Dear children, your smile can melt our hearts and takes our anger away. Love you, dear ones. Happy Children's Day. This is a day dedicated for you all. With lots of love, happy Children's Day.
Children, you are the ones who spread joy everywhere in all seasons. We wish you happy Children's Day.
This is your day, our little ones, so do enjoy.
We wish you a very happy and fun-filled Children's Day.
प्यारे बच्चों, आप सभी को बाल दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
Happy Children's Day, dear children. Enjoy your day.
Hi children, I believe when children smile, God smiles upon you. So keep smiling. Happy Children's Day.
Children are budding stars.
The more you embrace them, the more they shine. Wishing all my dear ones a very happy Children's Day.
Hi children, there are no words to describe how special you are to us. Come on, let's enjoy this day. Happy Children's Day to all of you.
Happy Children's Day to all my dear ones. Enjoy this day.
A warm wish for my dear ones on this special day. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day to all my dear students. Enjoy your day.
A very warm wish to all my dear children on this special day. This is your day. Enjoy your day. With lots of love. Happy Children's Day.
Hey big guy, you have taught me 3 things. 3 things. How to be happy always, how to be positive always, and how to pursue what you want with all your effort. 3 things. So, thank you for all those lessons. Really appreciate that. Have a nice Children's Day. Wish you the best. Thank you.